Maybe I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I never had songs that control me. I feel something bad.
What's up, y'all? It's your favorite girl, Lori. I'm back with you guys with another video, and today y'all will be coming with me to go cook some breakfast. It's like a alright, y'all. It's editing Lori, and I do not know why I said breakfast, but it was actually brunch. For me and my grandma and my two little cousins. Won't cook that, so yeah.
March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is in just like a spring start to spiral. May bring some warmer days. Poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you moving ice cold, going back and forth with a merry man. July.
Alright, y'all, so right here I'm just putting the nuggets in the air fryer and seasoning them and make sure I put oil in it. So yeah.
That's when I found out July. August it was baby this, baby that. Like yeah, your tools tied. September we falling off, but I'm still the main trying to win over. October is all about me, cause your time should have been over. November got your mood board, and for next year you're single. December the gift giving month, and now you wanna rekindle.
First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't I'm so cozy. Treat me like better day than catch today. I just take it day by day.
So right here I'm just preparing my grandma pancakes and put the butter on it, and then I'm gonna just cover it up and save it for where I need it.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now.
Oh yeah, y'all, and by the way, I did wash my hands when I first started. I just wanted to let y'all know because I remember I didn't record it.
I hear you talking.
To take a step out, yes I'm in now, let's go head out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've keep from pushing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted.
So yeah, right here I was watching the bacon off. Alright, right here I was having trouble cutting the bacon because I had my phone in one hand, the other one I would try to cut it. So I'm just fast forward to what is already cut. So yeah.
Disappear if you live. Feel like Jericho, feeling like Joey loves this She got a home on my first to get alone now. Ooh, way to live, way to feel this. Ooh, no, you like that shit. Ooh, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. Don't worry now, wasted the best of me. All you bring, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. And it makes us so little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, it was holding me to the right, but it will pick up and find me. All the while, I wait for all my shit with a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in Sunny inside, still be getting Look at it. Look at it, mama, man. Look at it. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with him. Catch me in the whip, ride with him. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped me? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I'm releasing your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you trying to tease with them bitches. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, that's life, your ass nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interview. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them.
I had forgot to put the cheese in the mixture, so I just added it on top, and I didn't want it to stay inside the pan because then the eggs would have got hard. So I just took it out and then put it in the microwave as y'all see me doing right here, so yeah.
You work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and I, you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, 'cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah. So much to live for, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Can you focus on me? Just focus on me. Hands to the stove. Hot faucets running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever lie with you. Baby, I just want you to get up. you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I'm feeling low even when I'm alone. And that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I am my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you
Okay, what's up, y'all? Okay, y'all. So I just finished from cooking and eating, and I showed y'all everybody's place at the end, but I ain't show y'all after they finished eating. But yeah, that's what I cook or whatever. Amir, he had mashed potatoes and some nuggets. My grandma had pancakes and nuggets. Me and Miracle both had bacon, eggs with cheese eggs, and toast. Well, I had mine like a big egg cheese sandwich. She just wanted the same thing, but not as a sandwich. So yeah, it's the summer. It's the second day of the summer. Yeah, and I'm gonna be trying to post some more videos back to back for y'all for summer. I should do my edges right now. I'll do it later. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
I think 56 nights crazy. I think 56 nights crazy. I think me and Yes go crazy. I think me and Young go crazy. I did 50.